implementing artificial intelligence-based healthcare chatbot system, we have used PHP language, as PHP is very cheap because it's an open source language and it's very easy to use. It is much faster than other scripting languages, and there are many libraries available for you to work with API. If you create a chatbot in PHP, it will be very easy to run it on any platform since it's platform independent. PHP is high level language and a chatbot can be very easily created with it. For implementing artificial intelligence based healthcare chatbot system, we have used PHP language, and to store the database, we have used PHP MyAdmin tool, which is an administration tool. Uh, PHP MyAdmin is a free and open source administration tool for MySQL and Maria database. As a portable web application written primarily in PHP, it has become one of the most popular MySQL administration tools, especially for web hosting services. Uh, in PHP MyAdmin, we have created a database named as chatbot. In this, we have created tables such as symptoms, where we specify all the possible symptoms. Then another table named as disease, where we have mapped disease name to the path of the article or address of the article for each disease. For each disease, we have created a article pages where all the information about the same disease and precaution measures are collected. Then we have created a symptom disease table where we map symptoms to the disease, and another table is to store the chat history. We have created a website named as doc.bot, in which we have given contact and about page where all the contact and about information is specified. Then after login, user is redirected to the actual chatbot dashboard, where by default user get a welcome message and check symptom button. After clicking on the check symptom button, actual conversation gets started. Then bot provides a text box where user need to specify the symptom with the note that symptom should be short for the better analysis. Then bot asks for the gender. User need to select their gender. Then bot asks for the time period from which user have that symptom, like few days, few months, or few weeks, or few hours, etc. After selecting, this bot provides a list of possible symptoms a user may have in the form of checkbox, from where user need to select a symptom they have. Then on the basis of the symptoms provided by the user, bot will give the consultation report, in which possible causes are mentioned, with the note, for more information click here. After selecting the link